Guys, my name is Shrikant Idam and welcome to SIDM Techie channel. Hope you all doing well. So today topic we are going to discuss about DFS, Distribution File System. So I'm going to show you how to install the DFS role on the server and create a namespace. So why DFS is used? So normally when you access a shared folder, you type IP address and access a shared folder, right? Or you type the host name. But here in this case, you can access the shared folder by typing the domain name. So in order to do that, we have to install the DFS role. So let's start the class. So this is my server. Okay, I logged in as administrator record. Now open server manager. Click on add roles and features. So expand file and storage services, file and iSCSI services, and here you can see DFS, distribution file system. Click on next, next, and install. So it will take some time. So here we can see the installation completed successfully. Now we can close this, refresh. Okay, now here we have to create two folders. I'll create two folders here. So on this machine I have only one volume, C volume. Okay, but in case if you want to create, you can create anywhere on your machine on a different volume or on the NAS storage. So to make it simple, I will better keep it DFS. Sorry, DFS1, DFS2, sharing. You can give any permissions here. Close. Now open. No, I think I opened file server. We have to open DFS management. Okay, now click on namespace, create new namespace. Browse the file. So browse the machine on which the DFS is installed. So it is installed on the server. So in case if you have a member server, you can add this machine like this. Now give the path of the shared path. So here we have created two shared folders, right? So it is I gave the name DFS. So you can give like what type of shared folder is that? Are you creating that shared folder for the account or IT or finance or sales? So for example, I will give it for the sales. click on next. So enable Windows Server mode. Next and create. So a namespace is created. Now what we have to do is we have to right click on this create new folder. Now click on add and browse. So select one, browse and select two. Click on OK. Click on OK. No. So when you open the sales folder, here we have two, DFS1 and DFS2. Okay. Now let's try accessing the folder. So in order to access this folder, we have to view this namespace, sreedom.com. That is the domain name. So I'll just update the policy. So currently my client machine is not working. Okay, so I will log in this machine and show you. So here, so here we can see sreedom.com. We have DFS1 and DFS2. So using the domain name as well, we can access the shared folders. So that is about the distribution file system. Thank you for watching, guys. Meet you in next class.